Electroplating and its uses. Electroplating is a process of depositing a layer of metal on other metal surface. In the given figure, the copper is being deposited on iron surface by using the process electrolysis. Electrolysis is made by two terms. One is electro related to electricity and second is lysis related to breakdown. So in this process, a substance breaks into ion when electric current passes through it. How to do electroplating? For the electroplating, there are some basic requirements. The requirement are the electrodes named anode and cathode, electrolytic solution and electric circuit, or this process can also be done in an electrolytic cell. Anode is a electrode that is connected with the positive terminal of the cell. So it is also a positive electrode, and the material of this electrode is made by the plating metal. For example, we want to deposit a layer of gold on silver. So anode is made by gold. Cathode is negative electrode. It is connected with the negative terminal of the cell. The shorter line presents the negative terminal, and the material of the cathode is made by the metal on which a metal will deposit. For example, if we want to deposit the gold on silver, so cathode is made by silver. The function of these electrodes is to connect the cell with the solution. So these electrodes transfer the current from the cell to the solution. Next is which type of electrolytic solution is used for electroplating. So in this process, the electrolyte is of the salt of this electroplated metal. In this example, we use this salt made by gold because we want to deposit gold on silver. So this solution is also made by gold. In this process, the basic principle of this process is, first, the electrolyte dissociates into ions, and these ions deposit on the opposite electrodes. In the given figure, the negative ions are being deposited on the positive electrode, the positive terminal. This is the electroplating of gold on silver. After this process, the thickness of the anode is decreasing. Electroplating of copper on iron sulfate, iron metal, iron surface. So, in this process, the cathode is made of iron and the anode is made of copper. Uses of electroplating. Why the process of electroplating is used? In our surrounding, most of the materials are made by metals, and the metals are very highly reactive with the moisture, air content and other substances, because metals are very reactive. So because of these reactions, the metal surfaces get spoiled or the surface becomes dull. So the main purpose of electroplating is to protect the metal surface. First purpose, protection. Second purpose is, because of the spoilage of surface, the durability of the metal decreases. So second purpose of electroplating is to increase the durability of the metal surface. And third use of electroplating is to increase the quality of the metals. The most commonly used platings are first is the chromium plating. Chromium is a metal having very shiny surface. It does not corrode easily, so it is used in the bodies of the automobiles, like the main body of automobile, their handles and their wheel covers. It is also used to make the taps, water taps and the spraying machines. Next plating is the nickel plating. Nickel is also a shiny metal. It does not corrode easily and it also reduces the friction in the machinery parts. So the nickel plating is very common for the machinery parts, as well as it is also used to plate the decorative items to make them long lasting. Next plating, very common plating, is gold plating. The metal gold has very shiny surface, attractive surface, and it never react with any substance, but it is very expensive. So if we like gold, so we can electroplate the gold on metal surfaces. Last is the tin plating. Tin is also a shiny metal that does not corrode easily and it is very durable. So it is used for the plating of electric appliances because it is good conductor of electricity also. So it is used to plate the electric appliances and it is also used to plate the containers used to store the food. So this lesson is all about the electroplating and its uses. Thank you and have a nice day.